Who doesn't love a little interaction on their cards? We have an absolute cutie, and this one's just in time for Halloween, called Batty for You. This is a stamp and die set that works together so you can create your bat with or without interaction on the wings. I'll be stamping mine on a panel of the Simon Says Stamp Slate cardstock. To start off, I'll be stamping both wings and the bat body, and then I can start adding some of the facial features. And now I'm ready to do some die cutting, and I'm using our very, very low tack tape to hold my dies in place. If you just wanted to make a bat card, you could leave it at this and put these pieces onto your card. But I'm going to make this interactive, so I need to cut a second bat body, which will hold the interactive parts together. In your die package, you'll find this little sliver that will cut 2 holes on each side of that bat body. So place this just under the head, right at the top of the body, and then secure that in place with your tape, and then you can run this through your die cut machine. And I suggest hanging on to your piece of tape and taping this to the inside of your envelope so it doesn't get lost. Before I start assembly, I'm going to color in the whites of the bat eyes and also the little fangs using a white pen. To start the assembly, I'm going to cut about a 6 to 8 inch piece of cord. You could use ribbon or whatever you'd like. And I'm going to place the 2 center holes together. So this is a little bit larger hole to accommodate larger ribbon or twine. I'm going to feed this through. And then I'll even up the lengths, and I'll do an overhand knot just by making a loop and pulling the extra threads through. When I pull this tight, I want to scoot that knot up to the top, but leaving a bit of space so this can be a movable part. And now I'm ready to attach my wings to the bat body, and this is the one that is not stamped, and it does have those holes cut in. When you order the set, you'll also receive a pack of 50 tiny brads, which work perfectly for this. So I'll feed it into the bat wing and then put it onto the right side of that bat body, and then I can press the prongs down to secure it in place. And then I can do the same to the left side by feeding that brad from the front to the back and pressing those prongs down to secure it. I always like to test everything out, and right now I can pull my string and to make sure that I have some movement and to make sure that the brads are not too tight. Now I'm ready to add the front portion of the bat, and for that I want to add a little bit of foam tape that I've cut, and I want to make sure that this doesn't interfere with any of the motion. I'm using the Simon Says Stamp white foam tape roll, and this has a really nice height that is perfect to accommodate the height of the brads and the moving wings. I've put 2 small pieces down in the leg portion, and I want to make sure I stay clear of the string. And now I can peel off the backing and I can start placing my bat right on top. So I want to make sure I get this aligned and get everything in place. And I like to just do the top portion first and then remove the backing off of the portion that sits under the legs. And now we have our interactive bat where you can play with your string and push that up and down to make it flap its wings. I hope you've found this video helpful on the assembly of our Batty for You. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and check the bell to receive future notifications on our quick tip videos.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.